How to create custom material settings in Silhouette Studio. Step 1. Go to the Send panel. Step 2. Click the Material drop-down and click Add New Material Type. Step 3. In the Material Settings menu, ensure that you're under User Defined, then select Other as the material from the New Material Cut Default drop-down. Step 4. Set the blade depth, force, speed, and passes. Step 5. Once you've set the new settings, click Save at the bottom right side of the screen to save the new material settings. Step 6. If you wish to rename the material, right-click the new material and select Rename New Material. Step 7. Now go ahead and rename it. Step 8. To create a new custom material from the existing material from the Mail Send panel, click the Material drop-down and select one. Step 9. Set the blade depth, force, and speed. Step 10. Once you've set the new settings, click Save as, then rename it as required. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mannymaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.